May as well start switching motors out. Gonna redo the air box. The two halves of it, I found I've been going a long time and they weren't together right on the rubber piece in between them. And the carbs are nice and dirty inside, like they've been getting a lot of junk. Haven't cleaned the air filters in years. So I already have all new air cleaner stuff to put together when I put it back together. We're going to put new pipes on, or actually a used header and a new muffler that I tested. And I've already got rebuilt carbs on the side ready to go on an 81 motor with an electronic ignition. And as well, we're going to put on a different rear fender, so I've taken this one off. It's just a little shorter from a special, and I'm adding a Bates taillight housing. Nice profile on that. It should look a lot better with them stubby short pipes I'm going to put on there and this new taillight, because the old original one is good and bright, but it's bulbous. The Yamaha 650 has been stripped down quite a bit. There's only one bolt left holding the motor, and maybe two. I'd have to, oh yeah, there's probably two. Two bolts hold it in. One back there, one underneath. And she's coming out today. Going right back in will be an alternative motor. This one here is a 78, and we're going to put in an 81. It's a 77 Yamaha 650D, and she's gonna get an 81 special motor installed. Okay, it's midday, and gee, I've already taken out the 1978 motor and put in the 1981 motor. Forgot to take any pictures of it, so you don't get to see a motorless frame. You do get to see a cleaner motor installed than was in the pictures previously, and the frame has been cleaned. 1981 motor in a 77 XSD. Okay, well, here it is, December 2nd or 3rd, one or the other. I got the wiring done for the tail light and turn signals and checked them, and they're fine. Got a brake light and everything. And she's installed fairly straight looking. So that's good. I had to do some wiring here. This kind of stuff right here. Hook that up. They give you turn signals that look like the real thing, these shorties. But the bullets don't match Yamaha, so you have to solder new ends. And I just got done putting the clutch cable on. I was going to try to route it in the original way, but it ended up I'm going back to my way. And got the coil all mounted up. Got it wired. Here's your positive and negative. You can see the spark plug cables that come down. I had originally done something else and bought long cables, but now I'm going to shorten them and put the pipes on. Darn near ready to start. You know, if you just kept at it, you could ride tonight. Okay, I think I got just about everything. I think I just about got everything enough for an initial kickstart. Carburetors that have been sitting around are holding fuel, not leaking. Headlights off, key on. This will be it right here. Well, it fired. It kicked back.
there's the difference.
Well, the motor's been seeping since I got it.
Oh, okay.
You know, and transplanted it into this bike. But it's a 77 Yamaha. It's got an 81 motor.
Oh, okay.
And K81's on there. And you know, I've been not limping, but you know, I've rebuilt this thing a couple times. You know, as far as refurbishing the bike. But I need to do stuff again. Like I could put new brake pads on, and I see the fluid's a little low. Fluid.
Yeah.
Flushing.
Yeah. But it appears the concept for 77 were very similar. Front disc, rear drum, chain drive.
We were riding over down a mountain. Weeks ago I took the motor out of my Yamaha and stuck in a different motor, and this motor's got electronic ignition, 81 motor. I got some Wassel mufflers on there and a pair of 77 carbs, and I don't know, I just thought I'd let you hear what she sounds like. The battery's too dead for electric start. So you have to kick it. Well, I was really satisfied with today's ride. This, I think this is be one for the memories.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
I like, you know, getting out like this. I remember before I got a 650, what, 40 years and 45 years ago, they were warning me, oh, those vibrate a lot, you know, and I knew it couldn't be so bad compared to a BSA.
Sure.
A
Yeah.
500 single vibrates more than a 650 twin.
Yeah.
So I've always been used to that.
Mm-hmm.
But I got on the dirt road and on the freeway. I got my knees against the tank, and I became one with the bike, and I was being buffeted around by the wind and the concrete grooves, you know, those traction grooves they put in the freeway.
Yeah.
And I'm being buffeted around, and then you go past a big truck, and even though it weighs 465 pounds, it's still a light bike.